was not working for 13 years. My parents were carrying me to places where I want to go. They brought me up so that I never feel like handicapped. Sit straight, hold your hand. You and your God are here. Nobody else is here. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Padita Pavana Sita Ram. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram.
As far as social work is concerned, she is one of the best example in Trivandrum district. Even though she is a physically handicapped woman, she is walking with 4 legs. I can say 4 legs. Why? Because see, normally people are dedicated, lot of people are dedicated for social work. Of course, it is correct. But a woman from a physically handicapped area is doing wonderful service in and around the Trivandrum city.
I was born on 10th September 1947. At my second year, there was a terrible fever and I got polio. This is a famous photograph, liked by everybody. At that time, I was 52 or so. This photograph shot by our Mukundan photograph. I was about 40. I was sitting outside Madhavi Mandiram. This is a beautiful photograph, appreciated by everybody. 21 at this time, finished my MA degree. Here I am having convocation dress, Madras. I was only 17 at that time. This is my 13th year photograph. I have completed school final at this age. At that time only they took photograph for that. This is my first photograph. I was 8 months old at that time. I didn't have polio in this photograph. In this photograph, I have got my polio leg. It was taken 1 year, 5 months. I was the headmistress of Kasturba National Memorial School. That is a land given by landless people. That water is very scarce. We have to walk 5 kilometers to bring this small pot of water. I walked, first time in my life I walked and brought water. My father gave me the courage to overcome this desperate feeling of polio as in everybody. He used to talk to me, do things for me, and he helped me to feel as a normal person. He is the only person in the world to help a daughter to do everything. When he took me to Madras and come back to buy calipers, at that time he was doing all the works for me. I was pitying him, why should he do? But he is proud to do all these things. My father and my mother was a doctor. She renounced everything
attended on me for many times. Not only them, my younger sisters and younger brothers, everybody treat me as if I am as normal as anybody. So in this family, the polio did not create any problem, but it gave us so many help for me to choose my own work and doing things. In my younger ages, my father, mother and everybody were doing so many social work. For deserted women, she used to help. For people who come at any time, they used to feed. They will make us to do the help ourselves to the persons in needy. Like that, I brought a woman hit by a lorry. I rang up my father. He was arranging all the things at Mother Teresa's home for dying. When I arrived at home with the woman, we took her in the taxi to the home for dying, and they were ready to receive the woman. The woman was conscious. She cannot do anything because she was very old and hit very badly by the lorry. She passed away within a week. She wanted to meet me. I went there and I said the body can be buried there itself. Like that, wherever there is some trouble or problem or something, I poke my nose and do my best to cure the thing. Like that, they have the blood itself, the genes itself, the property of doing social work is there, Dr. G. Ramachandran used to say.
She is from a very royal, social cultured family of Vaidyanatha Iyer, plus her father, Y. Shankar, and they are all MLAs and MPs of Tamil Nadu. And moreover, she trained under the umbrella of Dr. G. Ramachandran. As far as Sister Maithili is concerned, Dr. G. Ramachandran, this training is an wonderful experience.
I joined Gandhigram in Sevika Ashram, which is for destitutes and deserted wives. Because I am good in mathematics, Mrs. Ramachandran wanted me to teach them. The first set itself, 100% pass. They did well in mathematics and English. About a year was over. G. Ramachandran returned from Khadi Commission as chairman to Gandhigram to make it into a rural university. Gandhigram was a place, every day we have prayer in the evening at Annapurna Pandal. Mama used to give lectures. One day he was talking about cosmic energy and other things. That day I went to his place and asked him, we are talking about so many things. Can we understand that cosmic energy mathematically, clearly? He gave me the book Autobiography of a Yogi, Yogananda's. That night itself I read it. I asked Mama, how can I join here and practice? He made me a member of Yogada, writing to Dayamata in America and people in Ranchi. They gave me the lessons, and slowly, every day, every week, we have to attend the meeting, group meditations and all that, and I became a Kriyaban. Swami Bhavanandagiri came here and gave me a Kriya Diksha. This is a spiritual growth Dr. G.R. gave me. That is the first and very valuable gift added to my life. After coming to Dr. G. Ramachandran, I worked as his secretary at Gandhigram for 3 years when he was the Vice Chancellor. In 1976, after Mahadevi Thangachi's Mama's mother passed away, Mama came back to Neyyattingara. He was very much attached to Amma. So, it was very much disturbing for him to remember that she is no more. So, he wanted to start a charitable society here in her name, Mahadevi Thangachi. So, we have named the trust as Madhavi Mandiram Logaseva Trust. It was started to help women and children. So, we have to concentrate only on children education and welfare of women. We started with Anganwadi, daycare center and other things. Slowly, when I was mixing up with all the local people, I found that there are uncleanliness and during menses time. So we started making sanitary napkins, Daya sanitary napkins. We made 10 napkins for 3 rupees. But I found they are selling the napkins instead of using it. So we had to find ways to make them use the napkins. At the time, Dr. Shankaran, Mama's friend, who was with Gandhiji, came back to Neyyattingara. With his help, we started Khadi Center, Khadi Sari Production Center, spinning and all that. That Khadi Center gave employment to about 170 weavers and spinners. We were flourishing, sending Khadi saris all over India. I got the Khadi sari, named as GR sari. It looks like Kanjivaram silk sari with dark color and dark color border with stars all over the body. I got the Khadi certificate registered in Dr. GR name, and it was a very well-known sari. Slowly it was flourishing. We were sending saris to Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai and everywhere. At the same time, we started banana cultivation. We had about 5,000 bananas all over the campus. In that campus, after banana, what shall we do? We are thinking, and Mama said about fiber articles. Mr. Natarajan came and he helped me to extract banana fiber from the stem, and then we started a unit, GR Fiber Fancy Article Unit. We planted about 5,000 bananas and we extract fiber from them. We were flourishing. At that time, a hailstorm came for the first time in Neyyattingara. The house, the banana garden, everything was destroyed. We came out from that shock slowly. After these adventures, we wanted to start a school for local children. Mama named it as public school. So we started GR Public School. It is an English medium school, and the controversy was so much. They said nobody should start an English medium school. At that time I argued, Mama, Mahatma Gandhi, they were all influencing just because of their English. So our children also should be pakka in English. I want only English medium school. And we started with LKG, UKG, and slowly it went on growing like a banyan tree. Now it is a very big section of my educational wing.
As far as Neyyattingara is concerned, the Trivandrum people can say it's the eastern corner of our state. not that much of literacy is available in this Neyyathinkara area. That time, Sister Maithili has started this school during the year 1995. That time she was the principal of this school also. Now the school has, functioning. School is functioning very well. We have around 4,000 students, some 200 staffs, etc., etc. We are one of the best 5 in Trivandrum district. Her other activities are tremendous, because as far as social work is concerned, she is one of the best example in Trivandrum district.
We have 2 wings in our institution, one for social work and one for education. In our social wing, we have Shakti Mandiram and Khadi Center and Fiber Fancy Article Unit. In the educational wing, we had daycare centers, Anganwadi, and then GR Public School. There, when Dr. Ramani and Balagopal came, they wanted to have a sterilization center. They helped me to organize a sterilization center. With that, they wanted me to start disposable dressings for Sri Chitra Medical Center. We also took up the challenge, and slowly we were doing it wonderfully. We named that section as Daya Industry, Biomedical Devices Assembling Center. We had problems, union problem, strike, and slowly after 20 years, we had to close down the urine bag protection unit. But the Sri Chitra Medical Center disposable dressing is going on. In the same way, TTK Pharma approached us to make a heart wall sewing ring. That also we organized slowly by constructing one more floor on Daya building. Daya building is a low-cost shell-type construction. Everybody warned me it will fall down at once and all that. It was very strong, and there also about 170 girls are working, and about 50 boys are also working. The men are doing ring polishing for the hot wall. We make the sewing ring. The assembly portion is done by TTK Pharma itself in Kinfra, Trivandrum. I never take the marketing in my hand. I used to do only assembling job work only. So the work is going on. I will receive the money after 30 to 40 days every time. The workers are getting very good salary. We are all contented because of God, Guru and GR's help.
ഇവിടെ ബയോമെഡിക്കൽ ഐറ്റമായിട്ട് ദയ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി എന്നും ഹൃദയ എന്നും 2 യൂണിറ്റ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിൽ വളരെയധികം കുട്ടികൾ ജോലി ചെയ്ത് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അവർക്കത് അവരുടെ കുടുംബത്തിന് നല്ലൊരു ഉപജീവന മാർഗമായി നേട്ടമുള്ളതായിട്ടും അവർ കണക്കാക്കി വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് സിസ്റ്ററുടെ വളരെ സേവന മനോഭാവത്തെ സിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കൊണ്ടാണ് നമുക്കതിൽ നിന്ന് ഇത്രയും പ്രതിഫലം ലഭിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ കുടുംബത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് സന്തോഷമായി ജീവിക്കുവാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്.
The school was growing. Exam papers, newspapers, and all the waste papers and bio waste were plenty in my campus. One of my brother-in-law asked me, why don't you start a paper making unit? handmade paper. At that time I was wondering how to do it and all that. Then we collected the information and started the handmade paper unit, sustainable. Those who are doing handmade paper in North India, they came here, did the whole erection and installation of instruments, not much. Even then we need it. All the work are done by God, Guru and GR. We are not the doers. We are only the instruments in their hands, so that we have the contentment to do the work. How do you start the work? New works everybody is asking me. In Yoga lessons, Guru says, anything come to your and attract your attention, that is your duty. So I used to start work just like that, and it has become a part of my schedule.
Well, she is a role model for every student who is studying in this school, because there is no boundary between her love and towards with students, and she will mingle with students in every aspects and every programs also. And she is the one who gives money for any action taking place in the school for children also, as well as in the Founders Day. If there is any urgent work, she will just give up the money and ask them to buy and to perform it well on the stage. And she is having a good social thinking and she's having a mind of helping others socially. And even though she is physically handicapped, and then also she is doing something for the society and the well-being of the people, poor people in the society, or the other handicapped people. And her
Mama used to say, in Bible they have said, if you come away from your brothers and sisters and children, God will provide you plenty of men and women as brothers and sisters, and plenty of children for you to fondle. The same way, I had all the children coming to me and saying, sister, chechi, amma, amamma. It was a wonderful experience. Just because of this polio handicap, people allowed me to choose my own way. I went to Salem to become a sannyasin. I went to Kasturiba Gram to become a headmistress. I went to Thuthukudi to do my M.Ed. I went to Gandhigram to work as a headmistress at Sevik Ashram. All this is done because of my polio. If I don't mind about polio, I won't feel sorry for polio. But this polio worked with me, helped me not to selected by anybody as a permanent partner. I got the Entrepreneur Award from Janaki Devi Bajaj at Bombay. It was an honor to receive that because I was an entrepreneur. Everybody said, hey, they have given me an award for that, having rural industries up with biomedical devices, Daya Hridaya. For that, I got that award. In the same respect, Amway, emerging entrepreneur, a woman should be there. So for that also, I received an award. All the other awards, they used to give me as an educationist, as a good social worker, as many other things. As a good Shanti Sainik, I got an award. Like that, whatever I do, God is providing me some appreciation or other. I want to tell youngsters, women, all the public workers, one or two things. Don't depend upon anybody else. There is a work, do it bravely. Like the incident in Delhi, we have to learn fighting and all that. Plenty of people say, no, the only way to fight against violence is you make yourself pakka, good, up to the level. Then the thought waves only rule the universe. If you think right, if you are good, that thought wave protect you from everything.